Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get lower ping and fix lag in Fortnite on Xbox Series. So press the start button because we're going to be heading down and going to settings. Now, once you're here, scroll on over to settings, cogwheel, and first ensure that your matchmaking reason is on auto because this is going to give you the best server with regards to your ping. Now let's press the X button on your controller, and from here we're going to go to home. Now once you're in home, we're going to scroll up and we're going to go to the settings, cogwheel, and from I'll go to the network settings. Now the first thing I recommend you do is always use a wire connection if possible. It's going to give you a more stable connection and the best speeds. Now if you can do that and you need to use Wi-Fi, at the very least aim for 5 gigahertz, and if you're say 2.4 gigahertz, that means your Xbox is essentially compensating by reducing its speed in aims of having a more stable connection. So how can you get 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi? Well, move your Xbox closer to your router or vice versa, and ideally just use a wire connection. Now, some of other things you can do, of course, is reduce the number of devices that are connected to your internet, or this is just going to cause network congestion. Another thing you can do is go to advanced settings, and from here you could try changing your DNS setting from automatic to manual and testing out either the Cloudflare DNS for which is 1.1.1.1. If you want to test out the Google DNS for primary, you want to set it to 8.8.8.8, and the Google DNS is 8.8.4.4. Now what you want to do is test each of these individuals to see if it boosts your internet speed and fixes your lag. Now press start once you have put into the manual. One and another thing you could also change once you have done that is scroll down to the quality of service tagging settings. Now you want to turn both of these on, which is going to essentially tag your packets, which is data sent from your Xbox to your router to eventually ending up on the servers for Fortnite. And this is just going to ensure that you have priority traffic for your Wi-Fi connection, as well as if you select this one, it's going to be for your wired connection. So turn both of this on. You are going to have to restart your console, but once you have done that, this should improve latency for Fortnite, and you should have the best ping possible for your connection. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.